Hi everyone, and welcome. If you are an international student planning to study at Savitribai Phule Pune University, formerly known as Pune University, this video will walk you through the complete registration process on the International Center portal. This single window system is used by all foreign national NRI, PIO, OCI, CIWGC, and CIWSE Asia, applying for undergraduate and postgraduate courses at Pune University. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to register, fill your application, upload documents, select your colleges, pay your fees, and get your college allocation. So let us get started. To begin, open your browser and visit official portal for international admissions to Savitribai Phule Pune University. On the home page, you will see two buttons at the top: a login button for candidates who have already registered and a register button for new applicants. Since we are starting fresh, we will click on Register Now. Remember, new applicants must always complete the register process first before they can use the login option. The registration itself is divided into 4 short stages: personal details, gender, student category, and contact details. In the first stage, you will enter your full name exactly as it appears on your latest mark sheet, followed by your father's or guardian's first name and your mother's first name. This is extremely important. Once you confirm and save your name, it cannot be edited again, so please check the spelling carefully before moving forward. In the second stage, you select your gender, male, female, or other, and click Next. The third stage is where you choose your student category, and this decision shapes the rest of your application, so take your time. There are 6 categories on the SPPU portal. The first is Foreign National, the second is Non-Resident Indian, or NRI, the third is Children of Indian Workers in Gulf Countries, or CIWGC, the fourth is Person of Indian Origin, or PIO. The fifth is Overseas Citizen of India, or OCI. And the sixth is Children of Indian Workers in Southeast Asia, or CIWSE Asia, which comes with a special quota and fee structure. If you are not sure which category fits you, simply hover your mouse over each option on the portal and the definition will appear. In the fourth and final stage of registration, you will enter your contact details. Start with your active email address, because every login detail, update, and progress notification will be sent there. Then create a password and confirm it. Remember that this password is case-sensitive and will be used every time you log in. Next, enter your phone number with the correct country code. This number will also receive all your application communication, so keep it active. After that, select your date of birth. Finally, type in the verification code shown in the CAPTCHA image. Read and accept the terms and conditions, and click Register Now. Once again, please double-check every field, because these details cannot be edited after submission. Once you have registered, go back to the home page and click Login. On the sign-in screen, use only your registered email address as your username. Do not use your mobile number or any other email. Enter the password you set earlier. If you ever forget your password, simply click Forgot Password, enter your registered email, and a reset link will be sent to your inbox. If you do not see the email, please check your spam or junk folder. Once your email and password are correct, click Sign In to enter your dashboard. Your dashboard is your control center for the entire application journey. When you log in, you will see your name at the top, a 5-step progress bar showing every section of the profile, your profile completion percentage, the number of steps completed and pending, and a Complete Now button that takes you directly to the next pending step. On the right side, the Guidelines and Resources section gives you access to the Application Guide PDF, the Document Checklist PDF, a short video tutorial, and a FAQs document. A pro tip before you start: download the Application Guide PDF and the Document Checklist first. They will save you a lot of time and help you avoid common mistakes. From here, you are only 5 steps away from completing your application. Those 5 steps are: personal details, additional details, guardian details, education details, and documents upload. Let us go through each one. The first step, personal details, is mostly auto-filled from your registration. Your full name, father's or guardian's first name, mother's first name, email ID, and mobile number are all locked and cannot be edited. If any of these appear incorrect, you must contact the help desk before submitting. The only editable fields here are your WhatsApp number and your student category. If your WhatsApp number is the same as your mobile number, simply tick the same as mobile checkbox. If it is different, untick the box and enter the correct number. If you want to change your student category, click the Change button next to it. Pick the new category and then click Request Change. Click Save and your profile completeness will jump to 20%. The second step is additional details, where you will fill in your nationality, address, and passport information. Select your nationality from the drop-down list. Your date of birth will be pre-filled and locked. Then enter your complete permanent address, which should be your address outside India or your guardian's address, along with postal code, country, city, and state. If you want to provide an additional address, tick Add Alternate Address. Next, fill in your passport details exactly as printed on your passport number, issuing country, date of issue, and date of expiry. Any mismatch between what you type and what is on your passport can lead to application rejection. So compare each field carefully before saving. At the bottom of this page, you will see one more question. Have you previously studied at Savitribai Phule Pune University? Click Yes if you have, or No if you have not. A small but useful note here, if you are a returning student of this university, your fees will be a little lower. Once saved, your profile completeness moves to 40%. The third step captures the details of whose NRI or CIWGC certificate you will upload later. First, select the parent relation father if your father holds the certificate, or mother if your mother does. The details here must match the certificate exactly, or your application may be rejected. Enter the parent's complete full name as printed on the certificate, no initials, no nicknames, no spelling variations. Then enter the parent's active email address, mobile number with the correct country code, and permanent residential address abroad. If the parent's address is the same as your student address, tick the Same as Student Address checkbox. If not, enter it manually. You also have the option to add an alternate address if needed. The last and most important field in this step is country issuing NRI or CIWGC certificate. Here you must select the country mentioned on the certificate itself, not your current place of residence. For example, if your NRI certificate was issued by the Indian Embassy in Dubai, select Dubai. If it was issued by an authority in Doha, select Doha. Incorrect selection will cause your document verification to fail. Click Save, and your profile completeness will rise to 60%. The fourth step is the most important one, your educational information. If you are applying for an undergraduate course, you will need to fill in details for grade 10, grade 11, and grade 12. If you are applying for a postgraduate course, you will also need your undergraduate degree information ready. For each grade, enter the board or university name, the school or college name, the qualifying country, the school or college email, your passing year, the result pattern, either percentage or CGPA, the result status, your percentage or CGPA, your marks obtained, and your total marks. When you move from grade 10 to grade 11, you can tick the Same as grade 10 checkbox if the school and board are identical, and the system will copy the details for you. The same logic applies when moving to grade 12. For grade 12, if your results are still pending, you can select Result Awaited, but in that case, you will need to submit your mark sheet later for provisional eligibility processing. Once every grade is filled and saved, your profile completeness reaches 80%. The fifth and final step of your application profile is the document upload. The exact list of documents depends on the category you selected earlier. And once that category is locked, it cannot be edited. All documents must be original. Each file must be under 5 megabytes in size. and the portal accepts JPG and PNG formats. If the original document is not in English, you must provide a certified translation and upload both together. The common documents every applicant needs include a recent passport-size photograph taken in the last 6 months with a clear front-facing view, your passport or country ID card with the first and last page scanned and merged into one file, your signature on a blank white paper, your grade 10 mark sheet, your grade 12 mark sheet, your school passing certificate, and your birth certificate. If you are applying for a postgraduate course, you will also upload your graduation mark sheet with all semesters combined into a single PDF. Depending on your category, you will also upload documents like your PIO or OCI card, your NRI or CIWGC certificate, issued by the Indian Mission Abroad, your parents' passport and nationality certificate, a valid visa copy, a work permit or employment letter from your parent's employer, a 6-month foreign bank statement of the candidate or parent or guardian showing all transactions, and proof of residence of the parent such as a driving license, telephone bill, property tax receipt, or income tax return copy. If you are applying as a minor with a guardian, you will also need a court order of guardianship issued under the Guardians and Wards Act. If you qualified from abroad, you may also need to upload the AIU eligibility certificate from the Association of Indian Universities, New Delhi. You will also need a migration certificate from your previous university. You also have space to upload optional documents like your entrance exam scorecard, final year mark sheet, or any other supporting certificate. If you need to upload anything extra, click the plus sign to add more documents. Once all documents are uploaded, your profile completeness hits 100%, and only then can you move to the next stage. One important reminder here for medical courses: the NEET entrance exam is mandatory, and for Bachelor of Architecture, NADA is compulsory. After your profile is complete, you move to the applications page where you will choose your course and colleges. Click Apply to a course, and a drop-down will open with the full list of courses available, from advanced courses like cybersecurity, Buddhist studies, and artificial intelligence, to bachelor degrees in arts, commerce, economics, English, French, geography, and many more. Pick the course you want and click Confirm and Create. You can also apply to more than one course by clicking the plus button that says Apply to New Course. If you are applying for a postgraduate master's program, the system will take you to a Degree tab where you must fill in your graduation university, degree, qualifying country, passing year, result pattern, result status, percentage, marks obtained, and total marks. Click Save once you are done. Then return to the Select Preferences page, click Search Program, and you will see all available colleges and courses that match your selection. Click Add next to each college you want. The order of this list matters. The first college on the list is your first choice. The second is your second choice, and so on. You can reorder your choices using the up and down arrow keys. When you are satisfied, click Submit Preferences. Your saved preferences can be exported as a CSV file for your records. To change any preference later, you can use the Application tab on your dashboard even after paying the eligibility fee. Once your preferences are saved, click Pay to proceed to the eligibility fee payment. The portal will show you a final review of all your personal and preference details. You can also click Download Application Form to keep a copy for yourself. Verify everything carefully and click Proceed to Payment. The eligibility fee is 1,700 rupees. Please note that this eligibility fee is completely non-refundable. Keep your internet connection stable. Do not refresh or close the browser during payment, and after a successful transaction, you will be redirected automatically. Once payment is done, go to the Downloads tab on your dashboard to download your payment receipt. Your application will now be sent to the Eligibility Department for verification, and the provisional eligibility confirmation typically takes 10 to 15 working days. You can track the progress of your application on the dashboard at any time. The status will read under Department Review, while the Eligibility Department checks your marks, your documents, and whether you meet the rules of the course you applied for. You will also receive notifications by dashboard alert, email, and SMS once the review is complete, so keep your email notifications on and check your inbox now and then, including the spam folder. Once the eligibility department approves your application, your status will change to provisional eligibility granted, and a new section called one-time processing fee will appear on your dashboard. This fee has three parts: a processing fee of $1,097, a medical checkup fee of $80, and a medical insurance fee of $75. This fee is paid only once before taking admission to any college, and like the eligibility fee, it is also non-refundable. Click Pay Now to complete the payment. Without paying this processing fee, you will not be considered for college allocation. When the allocation results are published, your dashboard will update to college allocated. Click View Allocation Details to see which college and course you have been allotted. On the allocation results page, you will see your name, enrollment number, category, and applied course group at the top. Below that is a table showing each preference you submitted, the status of that preference, allocated, waitlisted, or not allocated, the college name, the course name, and the number of seats available. You will also see a Download Firm Letter button on your dashboard. Click it to download your official firm letter, and please take a printout because you will need to carry it with you when you visit the college for document verification. To finish your admission and pay your college fees, you have to visit the allotted college in person, carry a printed copy of your firm letter, and the original copies of every document you uploaded on the portal. The college will verify these originals against your digital uploads, collect your college fees, and confirm your admission. That is the moment your journey to study at Savitribai Phule Pune University truly begins. If you face any issue at any stage of this process, from registration all the way to college reporting, you can reach out to the support team by emailing us or by calling the helpline numbers listed on the portal homepage. We wish you all the very best, and welcome to Savitribai Phule Pune University.